Welcome everyone to Kidz Color Lab. Today we're going to be doing a drawing of a ladybug resting on a leaf basking in the sun. Alright, so we're going to need a black marker or pen, and we'll need 3 shades of green. A light green, a medium colored green, and a dark green. And you'll also need some reds. You're going to use a regular color red and a dark red. And we can set those aside, and you're also going to need a yellow marker. And then last, if you have it, a gray marker. Okay, so everybody pick up your markers and let's start. First, what we're going to do is make a curved line for our ladybug's body. So starting towards the middle of the paper, do our curved line, and then a twin curved line on the other side, but we're going to keep it open and then connect the 2 opening points with a curved line and then an upside down U. And that's going to be our ladybug's head. Now let's put a curved line in the middle of our ladybug, and that's going to be dividing our ladybug's wings. After that, we're going to draw the leaf. So we'll do a curved line on one side of the leaf that goes down to a point, and then on the other side of the ladybug, curve around and then down to a point. Excellent. Now we're going to put a curved line in the middle, and that's going to divide our leaf. Next, let's put our stem on our leaf. So we'll curve down and then another curve right next to it. And I'm thinking we should have 2 leaves. So we'll start at the back of our ladybug, and we'll do a curved line that goes up and down, and we'll do another curved line right next to it. And just like we did with our leaf before, we'll do the same curved lines for this one. So we'll curve out, down to a point, and the same thing on the other side, up, down to the point. And then we'll put a line. Now we've got our leaves. So let's put some eyes on our ladybug. We'll do some curved lines, and it's just like a C and a backwards C when you're doing it. Now markers on our pens. Now I bet you're wondering, what about our dots on our ladybug? Well, that will come later. So first let's grab our red marker and fill in our ladybug. And I'm going to use long lines to color in my ladybug, but you guys can color in any way you want. So make sure to do both sides of the wings of our ladybug. Now once that's all filled in, caps on our markers, and we're going to grab our dark red. And with our dark red, we're going to add shading to our ladybug. So on one side, we're going to put the dark red marker down. And you can do it a couple times to make sure it's nice and dark, and we'll do it on both sides of the ladybug. Now we're going to do the middle of the wings. Great. And if you have to, go over it again so that we get a nice, strong, dark line in our ladybug. Then we'll grab our red, and now we're going to do some blending. So we'll go up right up against the edge of that red, the dark red, and we'll start blending it with our lighter red. And when you look down at your paper, it should look like your ladybug looks almost 3D. Grab our black markers and we'll fill in the ladybug's head. Caps on our markers, Now we're going to color in our leaf. So let's grab our lightest color green and we'll start to fill in our leaf just the same way we did our ladybug. So again, I'm going to be using long lines to color in my leaf, but you guys again can color in any way you want. I'm just doing it like this because it'll cover more of the leaf faster. So both sides of the leaf. Excellent. And we'll do the same thing for the stem. And for the second leaf as well, we're also going to color that in. Now that that's done, caps on our markers, and now let's grab the medium shade of green. And with that, we're going to color in right along the edges of our leaf where the black line is. And we'll do it on both sides of our leaf, and we'll also do the middle. And if you have room on your stem, the other stem to the second leaf, and we'll do both sides of the second leaf as well. And don't worry about going outside the lines. Caps on our markers, and now let's grab that light color green, and I bet you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to start blending, just like we did with the ladybug. So along the edges of our medium color green that we just laid down, we're going to fill it in with our light color green and blend it. Blend the edges. Caps on our marker. Now let's grab our green. And now we're going to add some lines on our leaf. And the lines are going to be curved lines going down on either side of our ladybug. And we'll do the exact same thing on the other leaf. Curved lines going out, almost like upside down V's. And we'll do shading on one side of the leaf, and then we'll also do it for the stem. And we'll do it on our second leaf too, shading on both sides of our leaf and in the middle. Both sides of this leaf as well. And if you have room on the stem, if you don't, that's okay. All right, caps on our markers. Now we've got our leaf and our ladybug. So now we can add the spots. And you can put as many spots as you want to on your ladybug. Every ladybug is different. It has different spots all over its body. So you guys can add however many spots wherever you want on your ladybug. And now we can add our legs to our ladybug. The legs are going to be like L's. So lines that go out just like the letter L. And then we're going to add our sun. So we'll do a circle for the sun, lines coming off. Excellent. Caps on our markers, and now let's grab our yellow marker. And our yellow marker, we're going to fill in our sun. Make it nice and bright. Lines going off of the sun too. And I like to do that, but you guys don't have to add lines to your sun. All right, now let's put some shading on our ladybug's eyes. And we'll use our gray marker for that. And just color in the tips of our eyes. And voila! You guys have a beautiful picture of a ladybug resting on a leaf in a sunny day.